Welcome back to my video, guys. Okay, here we are going to show you, as you saw before in my last video. I had $100 here, so I did a recording and somehow I think I deleted it by mistake. Big mistake. Anyway, I wanted to show you how easy it was to invest $100 into the purchasing the Bitcoin. Okay, so as you can see here, this is how much I've invested into it. And it's only a fraction of the actual coin itself, as you can see. But I'm really excited because I'm going to keep adding. So I had to go and check on the chart to see how it was doing. And my husband recommended for me to purchase it then. Round about here, I think, it just as it was going up. Around about this area here, and that's when I bought it. Okay, so good luck to me, and we'll see what happens next. We'll keep in touch through my next video. Like I said, let's take this journey together. It's very simple. Some people might not understand it, like myself in the beginning. Looking forward to seeing the results. I want to see it make money. Okay, we'll really see you again on my next video. Subscribe to my page and take this journey together. Thank you for your time. Hi, my name is Lily and welcome. Today I'm starting a new project with cryptocurrency and how to invest with it. So I've got 3 coins here: Pepe, Theta, and Sats. I think that's how you say it. But so anyway, I thought I'd put $100 in, as you can see there. And today's a brand new day for me to start this investment. As I've had this account for a couple of years, I've never done anything with it. I've just let it sit there. But now I really want to try and make some money and try and invest some money into cryptocurrency. And so I've decided that I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So today we're going to check on the charts. We're going to see the charts and see here. As you can see, it keeps going. We're wanting that red to come down, and that's the only time I will buy it. So I'll take this line here, bring it, draw it here. I'll just show you. All right, so we'll start that line from here and make a straight line going that way. It's how far I would like this candle sticks or candle wax or whatever to come down here. That's what I'm looking at. And then once it's down, once they come down here, that's when I'll buy. So you never want to buy when it's up the top. Maybe, you don't know, it might even go further up, but the best time is just to wait until it comes down and then buy it. Okay, so we'll go back and have a look at the coins that I'm going to invest in. After Bitcoin, I would like to buy Cardano, that's ADA, and XRP, that's another one I'd love to invest in. Okay, so from today, this is today's date, the 21st. We'll come back and do another video just to see where we are. I have $100 waiting. It's Australian, as you can see, waiting to invest into Bitcoin once candlesticks start coming down here. And then I'll do another video just to show you. Okay, thanks guys. Let's start this journey together. Pretty simple. I mean, I have someone guiding me, that's my husband. But if you're a newbie and you want to learn, this is the best way. Just start on this. So we've got these. There's so many coins. It's unbelievable. But sometimes I just pick them because of the name. Come back on that again on my next video. I'm really excited. So I look forward to seeing you on my next video on when I do purchase the actual Bitcoin or whatever I decide to pick out of these coins here.